Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bonnie. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. And if it's your first time today on this channel, please consider subscribing. It does help me a lot, and give this video a big thumbs up. So guys, today I wanna bring you 10 best employers to work for. You know, this was voted by you on my TikTok channel. If you don't know, I have a TikTok channel and I'm gonna link it in the description box below. Life Research with Bonnie, that's the name of the channel. So I was just sharing what I've seen from the payslip series. I do have a payslip series where I share real payslips. You know, people share real payslips with me. And from those payslips, I noticed that Microsoft pays their employees well, even their junior staff. So that video is going to be linked in the description box as well below. So anyway, guys, yeah, so that's where the idea came from. Then you know what? I just want to know what other companies besides Microsoft, what other companies pay their employees well, you know? So that's how it started. And a few companies, so the companies that I'm going to share here, I'm going to be reading from my phone. I'm going to be sharing from my phone. The companies that I'm going to talk about today are the companies that I noticed that they were being mentioned quite a few times, over like 3 times. And some of them I'm going to share because they were mentioned once, but there was something special about the company. And there is 1 or 2 that people told me that they are currently recruiting or looking for new talent. Obviously, I'm gonna put the comments around here. Delloitte is great, PwC and Delloitte, great. Okay, but this is one comment that really touched me. And Luandilis wrote, Delloitte, I'm in a graduate program and I just bought my first apartment. And I've worked there for less than 2 years. Amazing. And I asked her if she's in a CA stream, and she said no, she's in IT. Okay, so Delloitte is the first company. The next company that I'm going to talk about is Amazon Web Services. You know, everyone, Amazon is cream de la cream in IT. Imagine people talking about their employer like that, you know, Amazon, you know. So this one comment said, Amazon is cream de la cream of IT. Please let me know if you agree with this, that Amazon is the cream de la cream of IT. Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so let's move to the third one, which is Sesame Workshop. It's a global organization. They are in the educational and outreach space. So the lady wrote, Sesame Workshop, commonly known as Takalani Sesame, by far it's my best, you know. And I went and looked at their websites. They do have a couple of positions available because it's a global organization, obviously. But I did notice that even on their websites, you know, they pride themselves in terms of inclusivity and how they take care of like wellness programs that they have for their employees. So Sesame Workshop, do check it out. But guys, remember, I'm going to link all these companies, their links in the description box below, and I will put in brackets if these ones currently have positions, so that you can know which ones have a position. So guys, I'm just using my phone, just excuse me if maybe I'm not really like doing the eye contact thing. The next one is Anglo American, of course, in mining, guys, in mining. So again, a lot, Anglo American, but I just wanna read out this comment. So Bongi wrote that I would be looking forward to going to work. I was emotionally healthy because of how well paid, and automatically gangi happy inside. That is her comment about Anglo American. Like, how amazing, guys. Have you worked for Anglo American? Do you know someone who has worked for Anglo American? Please let us know, guys. Just please let us know. And again, once again, please note that these are the comments that came from my TikTok where I made 2 videos. The first video I was talking about Microsoft, and the second one I was talking about another company that took the cup, and people kept on leaving comments about these companies. So this is why I'm sharing them with you. Be sure to watch the whole video, guys, because I am going to be dropping gems, I promise you. 5th company, guys, is Derivco, right? I didn't even know anything about this company, and that was surprising for me because they even have a branch in Durban. They are in the tech industry. They are into developing gaming stuff, you know. Just check them out. But yeah, the gentleman here, it's not a gentleman, it's a lady, Maria wrote Derivco, but with experience, the benefits of life insurance, gym, and food at work. That's what they love about this company. And there was another person, Uniki, that mentioned this company. So yeah, guys, those are the 5 companies, and right now I'm going to be doing 5 more. So don't go away, guys, and please do let me know if you've worked for these companies before. And again, please consider subscribing if you find value in my content, particularly this video. I will be sharing more and more companies that have job opportunities and companies that are the best to work for. Okay, guys, let's move on now to the 6th company, which is Microsoft. But guys, remember, this is in no particular order. You know, I just put this together. It's in no particular order. So Microsoft, guys, this is the comment that I want to share with you. As much as I have a lot, but I just want to share this one with you. My cousin was getting paid 35,000 at Microsoft for IT graduate program. Guys, that's how amazing is that? I don't know if you've noticed, maybe you'll let me know at the end of the video, that mostly it's even someone mentioned this on my TikTok, that in South Africa mostly it's banks that pay well and whatnot, have nice benefits and stuff, but like globally it's tech companies, you know. Yeah, and this really comes from people that are just sharing their experiences, you know. They are just sharing their personal experiences, how they felt working for these companies, how they've been taken care of, how they've been compensated financially and otherwise, benefits, and just the work environment, honestly, you know. And I do welcome your views and your comments if you've worked for the above mentioned, if you've worked for these companies. And then the next company that we're going to look at is Allan Gray. Yeah, it's been mentioned a couple of times, Allan Gray, but this is a comment that I'm going to read out. I would say Allan Gray: benefits, moving allowance, bonus, Wi-Fi, lunch are free, but it depends on the role for your salary, right? So when it comes to the salary, obviously it depends on your role. Yeah, well, there is also gym, family days, team vacations. Also, you won't need to fight for money, but yay, the end's perfect, you know. But this is what Lou loves about Allan Gray: team vacations. Team vacations. Let's move now, guys. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's Kurtosys. I think this company is German or European. Yes, so it was mentioned by one person, but the reason I'm going to share it with you is because they have opportunities. They are currently hiring. So the gentleman mentioned that he is a software engineer at the company. They treat people well, pays well, round. And then he mentions, I wish I can post a link for their opening positions. and I did tell him to post it to DM me on Instagram, and he did. So the link is in the description box below. And I checked out the positions. It's mostly in the tech space. So if you are in the tech space, do check out this company. He says that it pays people well. It takes care of it. It takes care of its employees. Like, guys, who wouldn't want to work there? Now let's look at Unilever, which is the ninth company. Again, guys, disclaimer, this is in no particular order. This is in no particular order. Okay, so Unilever. And then Unilever, they pay 90% on medical aid, which is discovery. Everyone has medical aid, even shop floor. Okay, they even pay 14th check. Guys, what is 14th check? I won't lie to you, I am now lost. I don't know what is 14th check. There is this other maternity leave, guys. So they pay 6 months maternity leave, 21 days paternal leave for the fathers, and 12 days for menstrual leave, you know. So I really think, guys, this is a good deal. But for Unilever, this is new. I've seen it like recently on LinkedIn. So this is new. I don't think it's even 6 months old. But you know what? Fantastic. You know, we love this for Unilever, especially for us ladies, you know. Guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. Just press like. It's free, and please consider subscribing. The last company that took the car it's Standard Bank. People were going crazy about this company. Wow, you know, guys, I was surprised, you know. A lot, guys, was said about Standard Bank, but I'm just gonna share a few. Like, so she mentioned Standard Bank. I started there and still would love to go back. I was a HC consultant. Someone also said Standard Bank, I started there as a teller. Now I'm in private banking. The benefits are good. And all these comments you can see, they were getting like likes. Someone said, I've never met an unhappy employee at Standard Bank. Amahle Rhodes, my mom worked for Standard Bank her whole life until she died. They treated her pretty well. Wow, well done, Standard Bank. You know, someone says, yes, Standard Bank is the most rated. I know people who only have matric, but they have assets, man. Amazing. Manchis Road's been there since 2013. Geez, I can't move. The best. The best. You know what? Oh, wow. You know, and yes, there's quite a few comments about Standard Bank. But overall, for this one, I really think Standard Bank took the cup. Well done, Standard Bank. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you like any of my content, please consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. Please let me know if you've worked for any of these companies. Which companies, guys, would you like me to look at? I can ask on my TikTok and people can give me feedback on those companies. I'm not scared to do that, you know. But other than that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.